Zoisha.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. You guys, today is January the 29th. We're 2 days away from my birthday. Ow! Anyways, today, this video is going to be a get ready with me for my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday dinner party. Tomorrow's my dinner party, my birthday dinner party. So many things happened with that. The initial venue that I was supposed to have my party at canceled on me. Yeah. Initial venue that I had canceled on me. Whatever. It is what it is. Life must go on. So I had to find another venue, which I did. It ended up working out. Yeah, like the venue literally canceled on me on Wednesday, and my party is supposed to be on Sunday. So yeah, but today I gotta do my hair. Today I gotta go pick up some like decor. I have to make a lot of like my favors to give out to my guests for coming. What else do I have to do? I have an order to go and drop off right now. That's actually what I'm gonna do, and then I gotta do my nails and stuff like that. So it should be an eventful day. And then tomorrow, as I said, is my dinner. I gotta go home and actually get some decor, make some stuff, as I said, like in terms of decor, because obviously I'm gonna be decorating. Speaking of which, I gotta go pick up my backdrop stand from the last party that I did. They still have it because I went on vacation. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I was letting the car warm up a little bit, but yeah, I ain't got time for that. So I'm gonna go drop off this order and then get myself in order. My sister just told me she's gonna call me around the time that she's going to her shop. So she said that should be around 11 or 12. It's 10 o'clock right now, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna go drop off this stuff and then get the road on the show. So let's go, guys! It's almost my birthday! Okay, you guys, do I look 32? Comment down below, let me know if I look 32. Let me know if I look my age. Oh, somebody messaged me. Chantel messaged me. Morning. Do I have any allergies? Only to medication. I ain't got no food allergies. Only penicillin can kill me. Anyways, on the road we go. Ain't nothing to see, y'all. It's winter. And to get parking in my building is so freaking ridiculous. Like, you cannot get parking. I pray to God when I come back, there's somewhere to park. If not, I'm screwed. Hey guys, so my hair is done. I know you guys hate me because I didn't take you guys along with me for the journey, but you know how it goes, you know. Nails done, hair is done, you know, something simple but cute, you know, big on my hair just every time. And yeah, so see you guys on the lift. I don't know what we gotta do, but I'll catch you guys on the flip side. So birthday loading. You know, you always feel cute when your hair is done, your nails is done. I just need my face done and to put on my clothes on, you know, clean. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm a horrible vlogger today, but honestly, I was on the road all day. I got home after 9 and I literally had so much stuff to do. So anyways, came home, and as I told you guys, I wanted to make favors for my guests for tomorrow. So what I wanted to give them were cups, because I was thinking of, I'm doing a whole like table setup or whatever the case may be, and I was trying to figure out what I wanted as name cards, or you know, seating, name, you know what I mean, the thing you put down the plate and put their names so they know where they're sitting, right? So I was gonna have the charger plates on the napkins and then write out their names on cardstock and put it there, but then I was like, if I'm gonna put their names on cups, I might as well just use this on top of this so everyone knows where they're sitting and that's their cup, whether we decide to use it tomorrow or what, or today based on the time right now or what, then yeah. So I did these all in like 30 minutes, really quick. I just did it. And you guys, this matches my theme of my party so freaking well because it's black gold, basically black gold, white and yellow. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's gonna, everything's gonna tie in together. Yellow's just, I mean, white is basically just like a offset kind of color. So yeah, black, yellow and gold for sure. You guys, if you guys don't know by now, yellow is my favorite freaking color. So yeah, I saw these black cups and I was just like, these black tinted cups, I was just like, bruh, this with the yellow vinyl is gonna look so nice. And look, my vision came to life. Like, these are gonna look so nice, and they're different from just the regular clear stemless wine glasses. Oh my gosh. And I had two supporters that are subscribed to my channel who sent me some monetary gifts, so I'm gonna make them one as well, make them a little package and send that to them, and I guess anyone else who sends me a gift if they're a supporter or anything like that. Side note, this is not me stating that so that you guys can send me stuff. I'm just stating for the people who thought of me. And you know, it was a nice gesture to, you know, it's nice when people remember things like this. So the fact that you guys actually spent your hard-earned money and gave me something, I'm definitely going to show you guys appreciation and send you guys something back. So that's what I worked on when I got home, part of it. So me I lock off the light now. Me I go in my room, me I go sleep because I gotta get up early in the morning and go pick up some rental stuff to finish decorating. I also have to blow up my balloons, I have to decorate, I have to get my makeup done. And yeah, but I'm building this as part of my decor. So my letter Z, so I'm gonna be standing up behind it, or beside it I should say. So I will be standing up beside it and taking my pictures, like, you know. So yeah, I just have to finish building that in the morning. As you can see, I have the other parts here, but it's not done over here or whatever. So I basically have like one half left to finish, and I think I need some more Bristol board, so I gotta really wait till tomorrow anyways. But I just feel like I'm running out of time, so whatever's done is done. If this is not finished, oh well. But I hopefully am able to finish that, because that would be such a cute photo prop, you know what I mean? Because this dinner is gonna basically be like my birthday photo shoot type thing, so I need kind of the setup to be cute. So I also need to get a cake. Anyways guys, it's now, whoa, way later than I thought. It's 1:44 in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed because I want to get up at 6 o'clock. So yeah, as I said, I gotta get up early, go pick up stuff, come back home, go decorate, finish stuff and all of that stuff. The cups I have to wrap. Pray for me, y'all. And I still haven't finished editing the vlog. I started it, haven't finished it, so it's gonna be late or whatever. Might bring it to dinner and finish it there. As I said, I'm gonna go to bed, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow or today, but later on today. Okay, bye. So guys, missed out on a whole bunch of stuff, but at my birthday dinner. This is my niecey poo, my other two niecey poos. Zanny's here, Janine and her hubby's here, my cousins are here, so many other people are here. And yeah, Goody's here, you know what I'm saying? Thank you! It's okay, no worries. Oh, you did? I did. Oh, wow, thank you. Wow, I feel so special. A card. A car? A car. Girl, bye. So anyways, guys, some little decoration in the back. Yeah, girl. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, obviously, later. You know cute. My niece said I look good. Everybody said I look good. Yeah. Right, true. I look like I'm 32 tomorrow? No. I don't look like I'm 32? How old do I look? How old do I look? 27. Baltimore! Just that alone? Yeah. Okay, alright. We can say that. We can say that. As long as we don't reach 30 yet in our face. Because 40's coming. Okay. Because 40's coming?
I got 10 years.
I don't have 10 years. I have 8. Like 40. Ew, who wants to be 40? But I always had the number 47 in my head for some reason. I just feel like 47 is gonna be a great year. I don't know why, but 47? Pop it!
Happy birthday to my favorite cousin. Hope you live to see many more. And this was a blast. Wish we could do it next year.
No, we're definitely not doing it next year. Not next year. Done with birthday celebration. It's 7 something in the morning on January 31st. It's my birthday! It's my birthday. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Oh yeah, I'm tired. I'm exasperated. Like, and I know I did a terrible job yesterday of vlogging. I know some never catch now. Come here, look on the time I left on my memory card and I say, girl, Y'all, everything was a disaster. I'll come home later and I'll talk to you guys about it, but I'm getting ready for work. I'm an adult, I still gotta do those things. So I'm gonna get ready for work, even though I really do not want to go, but I'm gonna get ready for work. And did you guys back up? Oh my god, next week I'm traveling. Whoa. Next week is Day's baby shower. Damn, son. Anyways, later. Guys, so I was home. Anyways, it's my birthday. I don't know if I came out here and said that, but it's my birthday. Hey. Anyways, came home. Getting ready to go back outside. Came to the house, came to the door, you know, this evening like normal. Went straight into my room, did my thing, not knowing anything. Tiffany messaged me and was like, oh, I thought you were home sleeping. Maybe next time, da-da-da. So I was like, what? Anyways, I didn't pay that no mind. Didn't even message her back. I just seen it come through and answered in my head. Anyways, so if you guys don't know who Tiffany is, that's Fluffy, aka my bestie. So yeah, getting ready to leave now, and I'm passing I turn on the light because the house was in complete darkness, and I look on my table and I'm just like, wait, this bitch was on my, you guys, I haven't seen Tiffany since July. Like, our schedules just have not meshed for us to meet up, like, you know what I mean? I miss my bestie, and she was here. Oh my god, she remembered my birthday. I feel so special. Oh my god, and I didn't get a cake, you guys, so I'm excited. Oh, my bestie. Yo, oh my god, I'm gonna come back and open it. Oh my god, and she got me candles for my thing. Oh my god. Like, okay, because Tiffany has a key, guys, to my house. She has a key. So that's why she was able to get in. She responses for my yard. So, yo, when you have like, yo, I'm not even gonna get sentimental, but when you just got genuine people, like, you would literally do the most for your people. This is how you know you mean something to people. It's the little things that, yo, people, Tiffany lives far. So the fact that she thought I was home, she was gonna surprise me. She didn't even ask me nothing like that. Well, no, she messaged me and she was like, are you home? And I'm like, nah. So she probably was on her way anyways, but she still made that friend. And this is the second time she surprised me at my apartment. The last time she came and she decorated the whole house. My girl put a balloon on the back. She's like, no, not this time. You don't get no decorations this time. And my house is in shambles. Shambles. But I love you, bestie. Thank you so much. Oh my god, that made my freaking day. I did not even realize. That's crazy. Alright guys, home. And I'm about to look at what my bestie got me. I had to go over to my neighbor because they put her mail in my bag, in my mailbox. Because babe was like, you're not getting nothing out of mail for me? So backstory. So Fluffy, like, you know, oh my god, I see your gift, whatever. She told me she started out with 3 balloons, hence yellow, my favorite color. She said she started out with 3 balloons. And don't mind the congratulations, okay? Pretend it says happy birthday. 3 balloons, and we are down to 1. So she was like, did any survive? But anyways, let me look and see what I got. I know she got me wine for sure. Like, there's no way. She couldn't not get me wine. If she didn't get me wine, we'd fight. Like, she wouldn't be my friend. I got a cute watch. I can add this to my collection because I'm starting to wear watches again, people. I don't know what it is about this older thing, but like, it just has me wanting to be very classy. Like, not classy because I'm still me, you know what I'm saying? I'm still, you know, but time and place. Although there was always a time and place, but still, you know? I thought she was gonna get me a Jacob's Creek. She got me Bartendora! Yo, tell me how? Okay, so one of my supporters, her Instagram name is Do Ya Thing, and okay, so she has a baby, and her baby father is, or the father of her child is, like a childhood like friend of mine. Like we lived in the same building for years. I know his mom, his siblings, his stepbrothers, all of that. Like I know them like the back of my hand. You understand? Like so when I found that out, I was like, oh my god. And like I loved her because like she was just so cute and adorable. Like she's so supportive. Everything I post, she's always commenting, always always supporting. So I was like, you know, girl, I have to meet you. Like when I interact with people like that, especially if you're in Toronto, I'm like, I want to meet with you. So there was 2 of them that I had invited to my birthday dinner. Chantel, who you guys will sometimes hear me refer to, because like as I said, like these are like my supporter turned friends in a sense, because we communicate like that like all the time, like at least every other day, literally. Like if I post something on my story, them comment like something, we always communicate like that. So if I tell you guys, talk to me. It might take me a while to get back to you guys, but I eventually do, you know? So yeah. So anyways, she gave me a LCBO gift card in as a birthday gift. So I was gonna go and buy one today, but I was like, oh, I got so much stuff to do today, I ain't even gonna bother. Ooh, I got a candle. We love our candles. So, oh my god. I know what I want to get her for her birthday, but I don't know if she has it yet. Tiffany's birthday is literally 8 days after mine. We're both Aquariuses. She's like one of my only friends that like I don't mind if I don't see. I'm not gonna say I don't mind, because I hate it when so much time goes by where we don't see each other. But she's the only friend where like I get if we don't see each other. You know what I mean? Because I feel like we are so the same in certain stuff, especially with our personalities. Because like I don't care what nobody says. Like I believe in zodiacs in a sense. Like there's a lot to do with people that are born in the same month time span. I feel like there's a lot of similarities. So yeah, we just know how to deal with each other. So yeah, that's my best. Go best friend that I'm my bestie. Ah! Like I'm opening this shit right now, but let me see what kind of pastry she got me, cause the baby girl finna go and sing happy birthday. It's your birthday. Turn up for your birthday. Happy birthday. Turn up, it's your birthday. Happy birthday. All right, no, let me put y'all here so y'all can see. Yeah, so here we are. Here's my birthday cake. Oh my god. Alright. People on my Instagram too, okay? Okay. Alright, wanna ready for sing? Me. Shit, man. Okay, wanna sing? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Greatest gal, the favoriteest girl, everything. All I need is some your girl. Happy birthday to me. Make my wish. All right. Alright, wanna come for a plate now? I get to this. Oh, if I send the party, you know, girl. Yeah, church, you know, it's not easy to lose the goal. You know? Like one time. Can gain 1 pound in 2 seconds, and it take about 20 years for it to become. Peace.